Okay, so my man over here doing auto detailing, come to your house. Hey man, how long you been doing this?
12 years.
You know, I seen your car, I seen your van around. You had your van for a while, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. That's what's up. Alright. How far out you go?
I've been to Florida.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. I've been to Florida. Okay. And you all by yourself? You ain't got no partners?
But you know, the kids, they want to work when they want to work.
Right, right.
Man, he want to work when he want to work.
Okay.
So, you know, I got to keep it moving.
Right, right. Okay. Wow. And you do this all year round? All year round?
Oh, nah, you know, it gets cold. Once it gets cold,
Then you...
I drive trucks off of it. You know what I'm saying? I got my own authority and everything. You drive trucks?
Uh-oh.
What kind of truck? Jet line? Yeah.
Uh-oh.
What do you do? Really?
Yeah, you're a truck driver.
And I
Yeah.
just started my own carrier company. I just started that. I just got a van and everything. Nice. I just got everything up and running, so I'm going to do it. I'm just pricing some insurance right now.
Okay.
Fucking insurance is crazy.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, uh-oh.
What insurance we had?
We had, with Landstar?
Yeah.
We had,
When I own authority.
we had, the Great West.
Great West.
Yeah.
Get this off real quick.
I'll tell how many good. You had Great West. Oh, you're a truck driver. Oh.
Right, Great West.
Huh?
Great West.
Great West?
Yep.
Great West.
Okay.
Y'all got named Tyler. Yeah, let him finish, honey. Oh, you're a truck driver. Uh-oh. Got a lot of common. Oh, you hustle. Okay. Nice, look at that. Yeah, he got truck in the winter time. Yeah, so he take off in the summer. Take off in the summer and then drive in the winter. That's nice. That's hot. Nice hustle. Oh man, look at that. So y'all can see he's a truck driver as well. We just found out that he takes off in the summer from trucking and does this in the summer, and then when it gets cold, then he goes back to trucking. He has his own authority and everything. Nice. You see, you ask questions, man, you just learn something new every day. Here goes his business right here. There's a business right here. He said he done been to Florida, so, you know, I can tell you do good work. As y'all can see right here, he does good work. So, yeah, looking good. I'm about to get mine done too, because my car is filthy. It's filthy. So I'm gonna be next. He said he didn't mind doing it, so he's gonna do them back to back. But my wife's getting the inside done and the outside done. On my car, I'm gonna get the outside done. So you're gonna see. After he's done, man. I can tell all the way though. It's gonna look good. Hey man, so what time you start in the morning? What time you start in the morning?
Well, I ain't on the road right now.
No, I mean doing.
Oh, it depends on whatever. I mean, whatever.
Oh, whenever. Oh, yeah. Okay.
You know what I mean? You got something lined up.
Okay. So how you advertise yourself and everything? You got Facebook, you got YouTube, you got Instagram and TikTok?
Yeah.
Okay. That's what's up.
I got my kids, they all got their Class A CDLs too.
Oh, really?
Yeah, man. I made sure they went to school.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so they got two of them on the road.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, they working with a company.
Mm-hmm.
And the other one, shit, he fucking around with my license all fucking jammed up. I got twin sons, so one twin, the other one used the other one name and shit.
Oh, really? Okay.
Fuck that shit up.
Mm-hmm.
I think that stipulation should be up real soon, so we should be back on the road.
Oh, good. Okay.
You gotta go see the yard. You can find your job.
Oh yeah. Always gonna have a job. Always gonna have a job with CDLs. Always. Yep.
So I just started the carrier business.
Mm-hmm.
I got mine too, so I didn't want to be on the road no more, and I want to do my own thing.
Right. And this is 2015, right?
Uh-huh.
You know you're supposed to average 12,000 miles a year, right? That's the national average. I got 51,000 miles on this.
Oh shit.
No, it's almost brand new. I mean, I ain't drive it.
Hold its value.
Yeah. Yep.
I recommend it. A lot of motherfuckers don't like paying for it. It's called ceramic. It's called a. It's like a ceramic coating. Like this right here. They got the ceramic coating I put on it. It's like a protective shield. You know what I'm saying? It goes over top of the clear. It goes over top of the car after we get it done. You know what I'm saying? And that should last for like 6-7 years.
Then you just wipe it off. You wipe the broke. You wipe the broke shit off.
Exactly. Yeah. It don't stick. It don't stick to it.
Right.
But that right there, that costs like at least $1,500 or better.
Okay.
A car.
Okay.
But it's official.
Right.
It's official.
Car.
You know what I'm saying?
That's ceramic coating.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, I seen that. Yeah. Okay. Got that crazy stuff, man. Got that crazy stuff. You know what I mean? Whatever you got, take care of it. That's what's up.
Black boy joy, she wanna see the Forbes like I wanna see her form. Tell me what you for, yeah. Ayy, you pay me what I'm owed, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All this money on me. Yeah, yeah. Cash rules all around me. Yeah, yeah. All this money around me. Yeah, yeah. Cash rules all around me. Yeah,
Man, how you feel like a man? Who is that?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
I tell him long, little real, like stay true to that. Hey, no, man, how you feel like a man? Who is that? I tell him long, little real, like stay true to that.
Hey, big bags, my back ache through customs. You travel like you must be tough out of your luck, huh? I'm that go-to when she down to come through clutch, huh? Sit brown till I'm flushed, huh? My drip, drip, real plush, huh? Internet tea off a blue pill. Hand grip stack of the blue cheese. Turn that to a bag in a new crib. Nice big spot by the seaside. Never stressed on for a handout. Just ain't on what I be on. Just ain't on, need to be right, yeah. Gold fronts to show the color of my soul. Cool you think you is, you got me.